Hello and welcome back. We are looking at the final and sixth stage in the system development life cycle. That stage is going to be evaluation and maintenance. And there are different types of evaluation that can be done. I suppose the most important fact to realise with this stage is that whatever the model, whatever the system, evaluation and maintenance is an ongoing process. So whereas all of the other stages have a defined finish date, the evaluation and maintenance is ongoing. So the first one to look at is periodic evaluation. The first one to look at is system audit. Now, a system audit is when you've gone and completed all of the stages and you now have your new system. So what you need to do now is a comparison. It's a comparison between the old and the new system. And the question you've got to ask is the new system better? If it is, well then that's money well spent. If it isn't, then there's a major problem. Invariably, even at the end of the process, when you evaluate the system, there are things that could be improved, which could be made better. And so as a result of that, you would start the whole system development life cycle all over again. So that is a periodic, that is a system audit, where you'll compare the old to the new. Now, a periodic evaluation is when there is a change in a situation. So, for example, let's say you've got two companies that are going to merge. As a result of that, you would have a look at the information systems and see how they could be amalgamated, put together, or how things could be taken out of the system. Another reason for a periodic evaluation would be if there is a change in essentially the status quo. Let's just say, for example, that there is an increase in the amount of data to be stored. As a result of that, then you would have to look at what changes are needed. Does there need to be a larger server? Does there need to be greater storage area? Or do there needs to be changes in terms of, say, the backup or more vigor in getting rid of any duplication? So a periodic evaluation is one where there is a change of situation. Ongoing types of evaluation are these: system performance measurements. And this is done on a continual basis. So you're looking at how many errors have occurred in the course of a day, week, or whatever. If the number of errors are increasing, then there's obviously a fault in the system. Memory amount. So with memory amount, are there increasing amounts of memory being used? Could there be viruses on the system? What needs to change? Does more RAM need to be added? And the same with CPU processing time. Maybe the demands on the system are changing. Maybe there needs to be another upgrade where you've got a higher spec computers. These would be all factors in the system performance measurement. Maintenance is something that can happen within a computer system. So within a computer system, you have these terms: patch, new release, and new version. So a patch is a program that is added to an existing program to resolve a minor error. A new release is more about a significant program change, which would involve additional documentation. Whereas a new version is one where, again, there's a major program change with new features being put in. So the thing to think about with evaluation and maintenance is that it's the final stage in a system development life cycle, that it's an ongoing process, there's no defined end to this, and that with an evaluation, you can actually start the whole cycle again, building on what you've already got. Thank you very much.